Hello and welcome to Prodigy Pursuits. This channel is all about helping you reach your goals, whether it's in your personal or professional life. With our unique blend of motivation, education, and entertainment, we're here to guide you every step of the way on your journey to success. Welcome. Today I will be giving you tips to develop confidence to excel in business and life. Developing confidence is crucial for excelling in both business and life because it serves as a foundational attribute that empowers individuals to overcome challenges, take calculated risks, and achieve their goals. Here are several reasons why developing confidence is important. So to reach that, follow this tip. So without delay, let's go. Self-awareness. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and values to build a solid foundation for your confidence. Set goals. Set clear, achievable goals that challenge you and give you a sense of purpose. Positive self-talk. Replace self-doubt with positive affirmations and encouraging self-talk. Visualize success. Imagine yourself succeeding in various scenarios to boost your belief in your abilities. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate even the smallest achievements to reinforce your confidence. Continuous learning. Acquire new skills and knowledge to increase your competence and confidence. Body language. Practice confident body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and give firm handshakes. Dress for success. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and capable. Prepare thoroughly. Preparation breeds confidence. Research, practice, and be well prepared for any task. Embrace failure. View failure as a stepping stone to success and an opportunity to learn and grow. Positive surroundings. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who believe in your abilities. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have achieved and the positive aspects of your life. Step out of comfort zone. Challenge yourself regularly to overcome fears and build resilience. Public speaking. Improve your public speaking skills to communicate your ideas effectively. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Physical health. Regular exercise and a healthy diet contribute to higher energy levels and a more confident attitude. Learn from role models. Study the habits and strategies of successful individuals you admire. Keep a journal. Document your achievements, progress, and positive experiences to boost your self-esteem. Help others. Contributing to the success of others can boost your own confidence. Time management. Organize your time effectively to reduce stress and boost your sense of accomplishment. Positive visualization. Visualize successful outcomes before important tasks or events. Limit self-comparison. Focus on your progress rather than comparing yourself to others. Accept compliments. Learn to graciously accept compliments and acknowledge your accomplishments. Networking. Connect with peers and professionals to expand your knowledge and opportunities. Conflict resolution skills. Developing strong communication and conflict resolution skills will increase your confidence in handling challenging situations. Adaptability. Embrace change and adapt to new situations, enhancing your self-assurance. Volunteer or community involvement. Contributing to your community or volunteering can boost your sense of purpose and confidence. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism helps you grow and improve, ultimately boosting your confidence. Maintain a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through effort and learning. Practice self-care. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being, as a healthy mind contributes to higher confidence levels. Remember that building confidence is a journey, and it's okay to have moments of self-doubt. Consistently applying these tips can help you develop a strong sense of confidence that will propel you to excel in all aspects of your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and as always, stay on the path of progress.